In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to tables in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a project for school or preparing an important business report, a pop of color can make your tables more visually appealing and easier to read. Let's walk through this process step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently customizing your tables in Google Docs. First things first, let's navigate over to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Google or Gmail account. If you're already signed in, you should be directed to the Google Docs homepage straight away. If not, enter your login details and get yourself situated on the homepage where you'll have access to all your Google Docs files. Now, you can either open an existing document or start from scratch with a new one. If you choose to open an existing document, simply click on it from your list of files. If you prefer to start fresh, click on the blank document option. This will open up a new, clean slate for you to work on. With your document open and ready, it's time to create your tables. Head over to the top navigation bar where you'll find the Insert menu. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear. From there, select Table, and you'll see a grid pop up. Move your cursor across the grid to select the number of rows and columns you desire for your table, and click to insert it into your document. Once your table is in place, it's time to add a splash of color. Select the row you want to add color to by clicking on its edge. With that row highlighted, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll notice a small paint can icon, often referred to as the paint bucket tool, located towards the right side of the toolbar. Click on this paint icon and a palette of colors will unfold before your eyes. From here, you can select your desired color by clicking on it. As soon as you make your selection, the entire row will be filled with that color. Feel free to experiment with different shades to find the perfect fit for your document. And there you have it. You've successfully added color to your table in Google Docs. This simple yet effective technique can help highlight important rows or organize information visually, making your documents not only more aesthetically pleasing, but also more functional and easy to digest. Remember to save your document once you've made your adjustments. Adding color to tables is just one of the many ways you can enhance your Google Docs creations. We hope this tutorial has empowered you with a useful tool to make your work stand out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.